like it'll be the 3500 block of Catalpa, possibly 3502.
Ops what? Ops 5.
Ops 4. Ops 5.
Chief 1 engine. Chief 192 is going to structure fire.
Breaking.
Wylie from Captain 141, we have smoke showing spring wall. Wylie from the 903.
Go ahead.
Give me a working fire on Catalpa. Based on Captain 141's report.
Receive working fire.
Wylie Quint 191, sir.
Receive Quint 191.
Coming in off the prayer, right? Stand up, head back there. Good chance for me to turn on. Oh yeah.
Wylie show Captain 141 on scene. We've got a 2-story residential structure fire showing from the attic.
Receive 2-story structure fire coming from the attic at 1417.
Address is 3500 Catalpa. We have a hydrant at 3502.
Receive 3500 Catalpa is the address. Hydrant at 3502.
Take Olivia all the way down to the end, where dead ends, make a right, that'll put his nose up the second.
Wylie from Squad 142, we're on 3500 Catalpa. We have fire showing out of the roof.
Receive fire coming from the roof.
Wylie from Captain 141, we do have fire venting from the attic.
Receive fire venting from the attic.
Wylie, utility 143 is en route.
Receive utility 143 en route.
We've got 3 PD officers doing primary search right now. Battalion 140 will be on scene. Battalion 140 will have Catalpa command. They have a 2-story brick veneer with fire on the peak of the roof. Battalion 140 will have command.
Proceed Battalion 140. Do you want a truck or an engine from Sachse?
It doesn't matter. Engine company will be fine. Chief 192's up.
Proceed Chief 192 on scene.
You think safety for me? I 191's up. Proceed Chief 192 will be safe.
No,
191, come on up. I'm going to put you on back up. You'll take a second hand line in behind 4142. 4142 from command.
that's right.
West, you're going to be fire attack. I want you straight up the stairs to that attic. Let's get on the ridge of that attic. Should be simple. Rigid. Command, yes, 141 precinct.
Out of the way, guys.
Precinct, give you the all just right there on that peak. That's perfect.
It's actually not on the point. It's going to be halfway down.
Pretty good line of sight on that peak for patrolling fire. Not going to get more on it. We're
Whoever radio is on scan, turn that shit off.
One 141 will be salvaged. And make sure actually 141 I'll make sure I got a primary search. For Victor 143, I need you to leave the fire ground. Wylie Texas Engine 1's en route to your fire.
Proceed Sachse Engine 1 en route.
We're going up the attic access right now. Okay, Wes, you had a major change. That attic just opened up. You better make something happen real quick or we'll have to try something here. 141 from command. 141, Captain Tripp. We're going to need a second line up here. Murphy's coming in right behind you. Come here for a second. 191 from command.